Alright, so we are using for the first time this Snow Joe. Snow Joe. It's like Snow Blow Joe. Alright, it works, but I get only one battery. So, here we go. Here we go. We got 3 minutes. And we're gonna do this thing all the way. Look at that. It goes to the other side. That's the bad things about this one. your neighbor gonna get mad. So here we go. Snow Joe, here we go. Hoo-ah. Look at that. Let's go all the way. The battery stopped. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna do this thing.
You like covering his.
So we are stuck here in McMansion. We feel rich. Yes, we feel rich on this area because they clean this 24/7. Here we go. Here we go. There we go, Snow Blow Joe. Let's see how long the battery lasts. Alright. Our main purpose is put the thing on the side. Alright, we're gonna help our neighbor over here. We're gonna block the road. Alright. That's too deep over here. Blow Joe or Snow Joe will not do it. Oh my God, no trucks will come here. Here we go, Snow Blow Joe. Oh, stop. What a fucking waste of money. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hop, stop. 3 minutes. Here we go. We would hit it again. Oh, stop already. I think there's no more battery. Oh, there's no battery. Let's clear the area. Hope it's not bad.
But then it blows on, I mean, it makes it light on your down.
Yeah.
But then you could just scrape this.
We just go. Yeah. I gave you clearance. Here we go. Let's do this one. Here we go. We got 3 minutes of meta. Here we go. Let's press. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's not bad.